Okay, so I've got the equation of the curve, trapezium rule, 4 strips each width 0.5, approximate area, and it's the curve x-axis like that. So it is this area here. Gives your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So for this, I'm going to need to have my x value. I need to have x0, x1, x2, x3, and it'll have to be x4. So the x could go to 3. It's got to go up in 0.5, so it'll be 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, and the y value equals the square root of x minus 3. So that's bit y will be, that'll be 0, and that'll be square root of 0.5. Next one will be square root of 1, which is 1. Next one will be square root of 1.5. And next one, 5 taken away 3 is 2, so that'll be root 2. And so the area approximately equals to a half, it's in the formula sheet this, times by the width, which is 0.5 or half, curly brackets, the first and the last one, so that'll be 0 plus root 2, and then plus 2 lots of all the ones in the middle, so that's root 0.5 plus the 1 plus square root of 1.5, and just put that into a calculator, and that gives you 1.819479, which equals 1.82 to 3 significant figures. And 2, so is this state with a reason whether this approximation underestimate or overestimate? Well, if I put some of my things in here that you can't really see, but the curve, because the curve is bending like that, and my point is going like this, that the trapezium is beneath the curve, so it's an underestimate. And we need to say why, so we need to say because the curve is above the tops of the trapezia or trapeziums. Got to make sure your trapezium does actually go onto the curve to see, and hopefully that'll do. You don't need a diagram, you just need to say the curve is above the tops of the trapezium or the tops of the trapezium are below the curve. That's 3 done.